Hi, I'm Derek Bissen. In this video, we're going to be covering the items needed to obtain one of our profit and loss statement loans, otherwise known as a P&L loan. These are one of our more popular programs for self-employed applicants. We're going to divide the information up into 4 different categories: income, assets and reserves, other, and transaction specific. Let's get started. So the first category is income. Now this is what makes the loan program unique. You'll provide a profit and loss statement for the most recent 12-month period. This needs to be prepared by a licensed tax preparer, and be sure to consult your loan originator because there is some special verbiage that does need to go on to this profit and loss statement. Next, we need to verify the age of your business. We can do this through SunBiz, an occupational license, or a letter from your licensed tax preparer. We typically consider businesses that are 2 years or older. However, on a case-by-case basis, as long as your business is over 1 year and you have a track record of working in the same industry for over 2 years or longer, we may accept your application for this. Be sure to consult your loan originator. The next category is assets and reserves. You'll provide bank statements for the most recent 2 months, such as checking, savings, money market, etc. If you're using retirement accounts, such as an IRA, 401k, or SEP IRA, etc., be sure to provide the most recent quarterly statement as well as the terms of withdrawal. Typically, the terms of withdrawal can be found on the same site where you downloaded the quarterly statement. The next category is the other category. These are items that are common to most loan applications. You'll provide a photo ID, such as a valid driver's license or state-issued ID. If you've had prior housing events, such as a bankruptcy, a foreclosure, a short sale, or deed in lieu, then your documentation may vary a little bit. If you've had a bankruptcy, you'll provide all the paperwork for the bankruptcy, especially the discharge. If it was a foreclosure, you'll provide a full court order. And if it was a short sale or a deed in lieu of foreclosure, be sure to provide a fully signed copy of the closing statement. If you were in a prior marriage in the last 10 years, be prepared to provide a copy of your divorce decree and the marital settlement agreement. If you have additional real estate holdings, such as a primary residence, a vacation home, an investment property, or even raw land, be prepared for each of them to provide the following documentation: the most recent mortgage statement, or if you own the home or land free and clear, be sure to provide a deed showing that there's no lien. Provide the most recent property tax bill, your most recent homeowner's insurance policy declarations, and if there's an association tied to the home, be sure to provide proof of the homeowner's association dues. By the way, are you selling your old home before the new one closes? If that's the case, be sure to tell your loan originator, provide them a copy of the contract for sale for that home, and then when it closes, provide your lender with a copy of the fully executed closing disclosure. And the final category is the transaction-specific category. Now, these are items that are going to be specific for your real estate transaction. Let's cover them. You'll provide your lender with a fully executed sales contract and all addendums. The earnest money deposit, now that's the check you're going to provide to the title company in the transaction. And once that check has cleared your account, just simply log into your online banking and download a back and front copy of it, as well as a 30-day activity statement, and provide that to your lender. And then within the most recent 2 weeks, try to provide your lender with a homeowner's insurance quote that you want to use. And that covers all of the items on the checklist. Now, as a bonus for hanging around, I've included a link in the description below to our P&L resource page. When you go to that page, simply head over to the right-hand side and you'll see a button that says Download Document Checklist. Simply click on that, and then you'll see a document checklist pop up that covers all of the items we covered in this video today. And that's it. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. If you'd like more information on P&L loans, again, hit the link in the description below for the P&L resource page. There's a lot of really good information there that'll answer all of your questions. Of course, if you're looking to learn more about mortgages in general, consider subscribing to the channel. We would love to have you. If you're looking to purchase, refinance, or get pre-approved to purchase a home anywhere in the Greater Tampa Bay Area, any of its surrounding communities, or really just anywhere in the state of Florida, we would love the opportunity to assist you. If you've been in business this long, it's not because you are accustomed to taking no for an answer. So stop letting these banks and credit unions tell you no when we have more reasons to say yes. Thanks again for watching. I'm Derek Bissen, and this is Unconventional Lending.